In this video, we're going to discuss 11 effective strategies for finding more buyers in real estate. Every real estate agent knows that it's hard to find good leads. Most agents spend a lot of time and energy looking for new clients, but they're not getting the results they want because their marketing is ineffective. Even if you implement just a few of these 11 effective buyer lead generation strategies, you'll have more buyers than you can handle in less than 30 days. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release 3 new videos each and every week, as well as going live every Tuesday. You don't want to miss any of it. Also, if you'd like my free real estate sales tracker to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/sales tracker to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. Number 1, create social media campaigns targeted at the right demographics. Facebook is a great place for a real estate agent to get started finding buyers in real estate. You might already be aware for a few reasons. For example, you can connect with your community, maintain a business page, promote your listings, but most importantly, you can target buyers directly. Imagine a mailer campaign that could be sent only to potential buyers aged 35 to 45 who make over $200,000 a year and live within a 15-mile radius of your zip code. On Facebook, you can target ads to specific job titles, hobbies, marital statuses, and more. Have the perfect property for a senior or a single professional? You can target them all with advertisements for your listings. Check out my other video on real estate Facebook ads that I'll link above right here. Number 2, promote your listings with paid advertising campaigns. In addition to targeting buyers through Facebook ads, consider promoting your listings with paid advertising. Post on Twitter and Instagram and then promote that post. You never know when a home buyer might be looking. Promoting your listings or even another agent in your brokerage that you have their permission doesn't just promote that particular listing. It boosts your authority within the space. When a buyer sees that ad, even if that isn't the exact property they want, it makes it more likely that they will connect with you. As a real estate professional, your entire marketing strategy is built around starting a conversation. Target your paid advertising campaign correctly, and you can start that conversation. Number 3, connect with groups and communities on social media. People spend a lot of time on social media, which makes it a great place for finding buyers in real estate. Right now, you can probably find a group for residential real estate sales, commercial real estate sales, real estate investing, or just general home buying. You might have also seen a lot of real estate accounts getting traction. This Old House blogs, McMansion blogs, and other specific types of architecture blogs. Spend time in your online community. Talk to them and give them advice, not just as a friend, but also as a potential agent. The more you interact with people, the more likely you are to get them to give you a call when they're looking. A good real estate agent knows that real estate is foremost about relationships. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Nextdoor, and Instagram can all be great venues for real estate marketing. Number 4, purchase or build an IDX lead generating website. An IDX lead generating website connects directly into your multiple listing service. If you want to get real estate sales funneled to you through your website, consider upgrading it so that a potential buyer or investor can look at properties there. You can get a complete real estate website out of the box and start updating it with content. Many buyers search the web for advice first, so you may be able to rank highly as a buyer's agent in your area. And of course, don't forget to put up all your listings. You should not only have your listings on your website, but you should also share your listings through your social media accounts. Looking for help developing your real estate sales funnel? Check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 5, talk to other real estate agents or consider building a team. Other real estate agents can be one of the most powerful resources. Talk to agents. It's the perfect way to get referrals and to find out more about what's going on in the market. Perhaps they already have a cash buyer looking for something, and as a seller's agent, you already have a listing about to hit the market. If you build a team, you can gain income more consistently and take advantage of each other's resources. You can also build an informal network of referrals. Consider creating a newsletter to keep everyone connected and posted, a Facebook group, or a group chat. While you may occasionally need to share your real estate commission, you'll get far more leads than you otherwise would. You don't have to be a real estate broker yourself to start forging alliances with others in your business. A good real estate agent will start building connections right now. Check out my other video about starting a real estate team that I'll link above. Number 6, send out mailers to areas high in renters. Everyone knows that there's only one thing better than being a buyer's agent or a listing agent: being both. If you're trying to become a dual agent, take some of your listings and send out mailers to locations nearby that are high in renters. You can generate many leads if you always think about a renter as a potential real estate buyer. Eventually, most renters are going to decide that they want to purchase a home. If you send out mailers for your listings or other listings in your brokerage, you increase the chances that they come to you without a realtor of their own. And even if they do have their own buyer's agent already, at least you'll have made the sale. Number 7, build out your content marketing campaigns. A content marketing campaign is a type of inbound marketing. You create valuable information, i.e. a blog, a podcast, a book, and others come to you because they're already interested. Content marketing campaigns are great because they pre-qualify leads. If you become the expert, for instance, on remodeling your home before the sale, then you'll get a wide audience that's already interested in selling their house. Similarly, if you become an expert on buying your first home, you're far more likely to start bringing in people who want to buy. First-time home buyers want to know how to complete a real estate transaction and how to find a mortgage lender. You can also think about what will draw the most valuable audience in. A real estate investor may want to know about rental rates in your neighborhood or the average cost of an investment property. A wholesale buyer might want to know about the local wholesaling competition and how quickly the market is growing. Potential cash buyers might be interested in knowing how the transaction broker handles a cash sale or something more complex like a 1031 exchange. You don't just choose the clients you take, you also choose the clients that you bring in. By tailoring your inbound lead generation to the buyer or investor you're most interested in, you can better exploit your niche. Number 8, take advantage of lead generating platforms. Redfin, Zillow, they're taking over the online real estate world. And to some, that might be a bad thing. To others, that might be an opportunity. Zillow has a service that can generate you leads directly with no work from you at all. It's low effort, even if the lead usually isn't the highest quality. Better yet, you can often achieve dual agency if someone finds your listings through Zillow or another online housing marketplace. Often, those who are self-servicing and looking through these platforms don't have a buyer's agent. Because buyers are increasingly using these lead generating platforms, you need to be using them too. Take some time to learn more about these housing marketplaces and how you can use them to your advantage when representing a seller. Number 9, build hyperlocal geo-targeted landing pages. Many website management solutions also come with landing page templates. A landing page is a great way to target your advertising and make sure that you're garnering interest only from those who are relevant. Rather than performing lead generation across the entire country, you're performing lead generation just throughout your state, city, or even neighborhood. Many real estate professionals have hyperlocal, geo-targeted landing pages for every neighborhood they work in. This increases the chances that a buyer will find you and your brokerage at some point in the home buying process. The more well-tailored your landing pages and website are to the type of properties that you sell, the more effective your advertising campaigns will be. Number 10, throw holiday parties, networking events, and get-togethers. When it comes to finding buyers in real estate, don't forget about past clients. It's your old clients that will introduce you to your new clients. hold parties and events. Over time, they will take a life of their own and become true networking events in their own right. At some point in their lives, someone will ask your past clients who the right real estate agent is, and you want them to be able to answer you confidently. Talk to people, and they will often be quite eager to admit they're looking for a home. They may want to know your advice. Should they go with Rocket Mortgage? When should they start to look for mortgage lenders? And otherwise want to talk about the business. And of course, the more you talk about them, the more likely they are to remember you when they need you. Number 11, post your listings on Unofficial listing services. You have listings up on the MLS, but what about Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Instagram, Nextdoor? If you're interested in finding buyers in real estate, you do need to get creative. No one looks in the newspaper anymore, but many people do look on Craigslist, and a surprising number of buyers will look at listings on Facebook Marketplace. When you're representing a seller today, you do need to get a little creative. Many people are hesitating to get an agent and are instead trying to buy and sell alone. That leads to a lot of people looking for homes in non-traditional venues. But by targeting these venues, you also stand to find a buyer who is unrepresented. Now let's talk about becoming the best buyer's agent. Whether you want to be an exclusive buyer's agent or you want to find buyers for your existing listings, it's all about networking and leads. People want to buy houses, and there are houses to buy. You just have to forge the connections. The internet is more important than ever for today's realtors. Buyers are looking to purchase houses online. Sellers are looking to sell their houses with the click of a button. But what a real estate professional can offer is advice, support, one-on-one guidance, and of course, all the legwork. By building your relationships, you'll end up being the first person on call when someone wants to buy. Check out my other video on the real estate buyer's agent process that I'll link above. Finally, let's wrap up with some frequently asked questions on finding buyers in real estate. How do I attract buyers to my property? Today, buyers frequently look online when they want to purchase a home. Build an IDX website, establish a social media presence, advertise your flagship listings through paid advertising campaigns, and make sure to network with other real estate agents. What's the best way to find buyer leads? Many real estate professionals today are finding buyers in real estate through websites such as Zillow, Realtor.com, and more. Unlike a traditional referral, it doesn't require giving up part of your real estate commission. For a fee, you can get referrals sent to you in your area. What are the best venues for buyer leads? Facebook, Instagram, and Nextdoor are some of the best venues for an exclusive buyer's agent or for someone who wants to sell their listings. Prospective home buyers often follow real estate accounts or post their real estate woes on these platforms. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew in the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. Do you have any strategies for finding real estate buyers that didn't make the list? Which strategy have you found to be the most effective? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.